Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today, the day after the launch of the Honor 8X for the UK, we're going to unbox the Honor 8X as provided to us by Huawei and Honor. So, blue box, very familiar design from Honor. We've seen this on many devices before. It's blue all the way around. This is an unsealed unit that is a demo unit that's been provided to us. It has a not for sale sticker on it. So we'll just go ahead and open the box. It slides up. And front and foremost is the device itself. I'm assuming this won't be what the packaging will look like when it comes out of the box. And here we have it. It's a black slab of glass. And on the back, it's black as well, with a sticker with all the details, etc. But noticeable, immediately there is a pre-applied screen protector. So you can just see that as I run light reflection over the edges. It has a pre-applied screen protector, which is excellent. And on the back, it comes with all the usual information from Honor, indicating where SIM slots are, where everything is. So there you go. So this is the back of the device. It's the Honor 8X, which means that they've gone for a dual tone design. So not only does it have a glass back, it's glass back with a reflective finish on it, just as in the Honor 10, but then there's also a textured finish along the edge of the 8X. Honor branding and the AI camera branding are in horizontal mode, because this is a device that's camera is one of its highlights. Anyway, you can see it has an ergonomically friendly fingerprint scanner in the middle of the back of the device, and that's obviously freed up some space to reduce the bezels on the front. Let's switch this device on. Oops. This is obviously a pre-production device with some not fully production software on it. It's now booting up. And here we have it. Honor. And you can see the bezels are minimal, all the way from the top to the bottom. And there is a notch that houses the selfie camera, sensors, and speaker. And there you have it. So this is the Honor 8X. The Honor 8X has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with, as I said, minimal bezels. In this case, we'll just check what the information on this is. So it is MUI 8.2, which is the same version we saw on the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Check out the Tech Travel Geeks video review of that device, which is about to go live on YouTube. MUI is based on Android 8.1. It's a dual SIM device, so it has two radios for SIM cards. And this slot on this is a dual SIM and microSD expansion slot. It's not a hybrid one, which is a big advantage. This particular device has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and the show is run by the HiSilicon Kirin 710 chipset. And this is running a relatively recent security patch, the September 2018 one, which is very good news. Good to see Huawei launching a device with such a frequent or recent security patch. And obviously, as we said, it's MUI 8.2. So very nice, very shiny, and a very good feel to it. It's well balanced. So it isn't super light. It has a big 4,000 milliamp hour battery, or sorry, 3,750 milliamp hour battery. It's glass, so it's got a bit of heft to it. And unlike the Mate 20 Lite, the edges seem to be more of a matte finish on this black model. On the right-hand side, you can see the power and volume buttons. On the left-hand side, you can see the SIM tray. Once we focus in on it, So this is where the SIM tray is. And the cameras do protrude a little on the back, but it's not a very big protrusion. At the top, it's perfectly plain. There is no infrared blaster here. And on the bottom, you have the micro USB port, the speaker grill, the microphone hole, and the 3.5mm courage jack. So you have both the courage port for 3.5mm headphones and the nostalgia port for your micro USB for charging and data. And overall, very nice feel to it. This is going to be available in the UK in black, which is the one we have here, and blue, which isn't as blue as the Aurora blue of the Honor 10, but is still very tasteful. And that's on sale from today. The notch is not something too annoying, but it just shows you how much full screen there is here on the Honor 8X, which first impressions are very good. It's a very nice, well-built device. And for £225, amazing value by the looks of things. But we'll decide on that after the full review, which you can see on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, if you subscribe, and read on techtravelgeeks.com. So, okay, that's the device. Let's have a look at the other things that come in the box. So there's obviously a UK charger with a micro USB cable, which obviously went in here. And in terms of documentation, oh, there's nothing here. Obviously, this is an already used review device. It doesn't have any extra contents in the box, but as we can see, there is a screen protector already applied. So hopefully you've enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Honor 8X on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see more and see our full review, as well as reviews of other devices and services, please subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.